KSK Charitable Hospital. Dr. Nisha Shetty will be your master of ceremonies for this event.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. They say medicine is a journey that begins with a white coat and never really ends. Every day teaches us something new. Every patient leaves us with a lesson, and every colleague becomes part of our extended family. Today, that is July 1st of every year, we celebrate this beautiful journey together. To every teacher who guided us, to every colleague who stood beside us, to every resident who never gave up, and to every student who dreams of wearing the white coat with pride, we wish you a very happy Doctor's Day.
This day marks the birth anniversary and also the death anniversary of Bharat Ratna, Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy, a visionary physician and a surgeon, a freedom fighter and a statesman who left an indelible mark on Indian healthcare. Today, as we come together in celebration, we pay tribute to a group of 3 exceptional doctors who are being felicitated on this very stage. They are being recognized for not only their years of dedicated service, but for the profound impact they have had on lives and communities. To begin, and Professor Dr. Sumalata Shetty, Medical Superintendent of the KSK Charitable Hospital, to escort the dignitaries onto the dais. Our Chancellor of the Indian DU, Sri N. Vishal Hegde, Pro-Chancellor Professor Dr. M. Shantharam Shetty, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. M. S. Muditaya, Registrar Dr. Sudesh K. Derebai, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, and Dr. M. S. Bhatt Marigo.
Thank you, sir.
In addition to seek blessings from Almighty, we call upon Dr. Varun L. Shetty from the Department of Orthopedics for a prayer.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुस्तये गुरुविक्रमाय तुल्यप्राणाय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्या गुरुपुत्रपरिताते गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतनोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय भोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you, Varun.
Auspicious occasion begins with the illumination of light, a symbol of wisdom, hope and knowledge. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬೆಳಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಂತನೆಗೆ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವಾಗಲಿ, ಸೇವೆಯ ಮನೋಭಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆಯಾಗಲಿ. With this thought, may I now request our dignitaries to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. National Doctors Day is not just a calendar observance, but it is a collective expression of gratitude for the men and women who stand at the intersection of science and compassion, making life-altering decisions every day. On that note, may we now request the Dean of KSAGD Medical Academy, Professor Dr. B. Sandeep Rai, to welcome the esteemed gathering.
A very happy Doctor's Day to all of you. It's my great pleasure and honor to be part of this program today when the administration of the hospital decides to honor doctors, which we are all part of it. And it's a great thing because we are recognizing people in the field who have done human service to the public. And it's been a tradition from Chema and KSAGD Hospital that we always honor people who have been in the midst of service among the population. And we take pride in choosing some of them who have given their heart and soul for this noble endeavor. And we recognize their presence today to do that honor to them. I welcome our Chancellor, Sri Vishal Hegde, our Pro-Chancellor, Dr. Shantaram Shetty, our Minister, Dr. Harsha, for making themselves free and come for some of these occasions. This is one of the biggest things for us today, and they have made their times to show us that this is important, and they have been part of this function. My sincere appreciation and thanks to Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, Dr. M.S. Bhatt, and Dr. Sudesh Derebai for making themselves free and come here and give us the pleasure and honor of felicitating them. Welcome to all of you. Thank you.
We shall start the felicitations today by first calling upon Professor and Head of Department of Medicine, Dr. Suresh Bhatt, to escort Dr. Sudesh K. Derebai, family physician from Mangalore, onto the ceremonial chair and introduce him to this august gathering.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais, heads of the various institutions. Happy Doctors' Day to one and of all. I also at this time I would like to congratulate Dr. M.S. Bhatt and Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, Dr. Sudesh K. Derebhai on being felicitated today as a part of the Doctors' Day for their service in their life. I am here today to introduce Dr. Sudesh K. Derebhai, who was born in Cochin, Kerala on 20th-7, 1963. His father, Krishna Narayan, was a deputy manager in Indian Oil Corporation, and mother, Srimati Radha Derebhai, was a devoted housewife. Elder brother graduated in MBA and younger sister settled in Paris after graduating in fashion design. Dr. Sudesh pursued his education across India, primary in Chennai, high school in Bangalore, and completed medical graduation from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College in Bangalore. In 1995, he got married to Srimati Ratnavati, who took VRS from bank, has two children, Vishal Krishna and Ajay Krishna, working as software engineers. Joined government service in 2001 as medical officer at PSC Amlamagar, Mangalore Taluk, when no doctor was willing to join this remote PSC, and doctor posted earlier would visit once in a while, stay for half an hour and disappear to return to the key in the last day to collect their salary. As a medical officer, had to struggle in the initial days due to lack of service attitude by subordinates and infrastructure, but never gave up. From 2 to 3 patients a day visiting the PSC, increased the number of patients to an average of 100 patients per day by instilling confidence in them and bringing revolutionary change in the attitude of subordinates by training and retraining them. Became very popular among the community for dedication and honesty and being available to them all the times, including at nights providing doorstep service, which was unheard of not only in government but also in private institutions those days. Never wilted under political pressure, neither approached them for favors like promotions, went around implement government programs and took the role of training and trained all medical officers and paramedical staff in TB and universal immunization. During COVID, Dr. Sudesh treated patients in his PSC under strict COVID precautions and also visited home to take care of sick patients and provided family the much needed comfort those times. Even after retirement in July 2023, he continues to be in the memory of the people and also around the area where he gave his medical service and also continues to track the patients. I again congratulate Dr. Sudesh of being felicitated today for his dedicated service during the whole of his lifetime. Thank you.
May we request all the dignitaries. I request the family members of Dr. Sudesh to join on stage. Suresh Bhatt for the introduction.
Assistant Professor from Department of Nuclear Medicine, KSAK Medical Academy, to kindly seat Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, Consultant Obstetrician from Payyanur, Kerala, on the ceremonial chair and introduce ma'am to the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. It's my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, and to all other dignitaries on the dais, colleagues, faculty members, and students present here. Dr. Saraswati Venugopal hails from Payyanur in Kerala. After completing her MD in obstetrics and gynecology, she began her professional career as a consultant gynecologist at AKG Memorial Hospital, Kannur, where she served for 2 years. She later joined BKM Memorial Hospital, Payyanur as a consultant gynecologist and rendered dedicated service for 13 years, earning the trust and respect of her patients and colleagues through her commitment to women's healthcare. After completing her medical education and establishing her practice, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal got married to Dr. K.P. Venugopal Nayanar. Her husband, late distinguished pediatrician and an ex-alumnus of KMC. They are blessed with 3 children. Their eldest son, Srihari, is specially abled. Their second son, Dr. Shrikant Nayanar, is a neonatologist practicing at Aster Mims Hospital, Kannur. Their youngest child, Dr. Meenakshi, is a registrar in pediatrics at Guy's and St. Thomas NHS Foundation Trust, London. Dr. Saraswati's family reflects a strong tradition of dedication to medicine and healthcare, continuing her legacy of service and compassion. Since the year 2000, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal has been serving as a consultant gynecologist at Dr. Captain V.C. Nayanar Memorial Hospital, Payyanur, contributing significantly to women's healthcare and maternal services in the region. She is an active member of several professional organizations, including the IMA and the Federation of Obstetric and Gynecological Societies of India. Apart from her medical profession, Dr. Saraswati has been actively involved in social and community service. She served as the president of the Lions Club in 2022 and later as the president of the Women's Wing of the IMA in 2023, demonstrating her commitment to both healthcare and social welfare. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to you, madam. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Neema. May we now request all the
Thank you, everyone. Now, may I call upon Dr. Pradeep Shanai, Associate Professor from Department of Nephrology, to kindly seat Dr. M.S. Bhatt Marigold, a family physician from Yellapura, onto the ceremonial chair and introduce him to this gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, wishing everyone a very happy Doctor's Day. It's my proud privilege to introduce Mahabaleshwara Marigold. Dr. Mahabaleshwara Marigold was born on 14 June 1955 in Gokarna district of town of Uttara Kannada district to Sri Subramanya Bhatt Marigold and Srimati Parvati. He completed his high school in Gokarna and pursued his higher education at Karnataka Medical College, Hubballi, where he earned his medical degree. Following his graduation, he embarked on his medical career as a general practitioner and a family physician dedicating himself to providing compassionate and comprehensive healthcare to the rural community. He began his medical career in 1979 in Umachigi, a small village in Yellapura Taluk. For the past 47 years, he has been dedicated to serving people in remote rural areas, providing healthcare to underserved communities. In recognition of his outstanding service, he was honored with Vaidya Ratna Award by Swarnavalli Mutt and Indian Medical Association, SHIRSI. He has also received numerous felicitations, accolades from various local organizations, societies and community associations for his invaluable contribution to rural healthcare. Dr. Marigold's enduring legacy of service, compassion and professional excellence continues to inspire a generation of healthcare professionals and stands as a shining example of the true spirit of medicine.
May we request all the dignitaries on the dais to felicitate Dr. M.S. Bhatt Mani. Thank you everyone. May we now request all the guests to join for a group photo along with all the dignitaries. Group.
Good morning everybody. Dignitaries of the dais and off the dais. Fellow colleagues who are not there. Would have been very happy me to having received this felicitations by this great institution which has been serving Mangalore for past so many years. I am deeply honored, humbled for having recognized me in the field of medicine from Mangalore. Thanks a lot. I would like to speak a lot more, but then due to other commitments for which I have to leave right now, I have to be in Mangalore by next 40 minutes. So I thanks the management of the K. Segre Premier Institution a lot. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
I now request Dr. Saraswati Venugopal to say a few words and respond to the felicitations.
Shri Vishal Hegde, Chancellor, NITTE University. Esteemed guests of honor, Dr. Professor Shantaram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Professor Muditaya, Registrar, Dr. Harsha Halahalli, Esteemed Dean, Shema, Professor Sandeep Rai, Superintendent of Shema, Professor Madam Sumalata Shetty, other dignitaries on and off the dais, brothers and sisters, respected faculty, Shema, good evening to all. I am very happy, proud and privileged to stand before you today to receive this respectful honor from you. I express my sincere gratitude to the Shema faculty and the organizers of this meeting for the same. I am more happy to receive it from the state of Karnataka because I studied more in Karnataka than in Kerala. And my student days for 11.5 years was in Karnataka and only 10 years in Kerala. And I am still more happy to receive it from KSAT Medical Academy because I had great association with this hospital right from its inception. Professor Dr. Shantaram Shetty had been my husband's professor in KMC Mangalore and also my son's teacher in Shema. He had been the final answer to all orthopedic problems to the patients of my family. And my respectful pronouns to you, sir. And Dr. Rajiv, Professor and HOD Mangalore, Shema, had been a good friend of my husband, and he was my son's teacher in Shema. And I take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Rajiv and his team for his successful laparoscopic renal transplantation done recently in Shema. And I pray the Almighty God to reach the fame of hospital to higher and higher heights. And I still refer all my urology cases to him. I used to refer many cases to Shema because people used to get surgery done at very nominal rate in the beginning of the inception of this hospital. I dedicate all my achievements in my career to all the teachers who have taught me right from my school days. My teachers of my village in Kasaragod, my high school teachers, St. Mary's Girls High School, Payyanur, my college teachers, Vijaya College, Mulki, my professor, Madam Padma Rao, KMC Manipal, my OBG professor, Madam Manorama Rao, KMC Mangalore. They all have been my guide, mentor and role model in practicing my gynecology. I also remember with respect my husband and children who had given me all the moral support in my obstetric career, in my difficult times with dealing with my patients. I conclude my speech by thanking you all once again. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
May we now request Dr. M.S. Bhatt Marigold to kindly share their reflections on this occasion.
Day 2026 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ನಿಷಾದ್ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರೇ, ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಅವರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂಥ ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಪ್ರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರು ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ MS ಮೂಡಿತಾಯಿ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಂಡಿಯವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುದೇಶ್ ದೇರಬೇಲವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ರಾಯ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಮಲತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಯವರೇ ಸೇರಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈದ್ಯ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಈ ಕ್ಷೇಮದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದೂರದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಉಮ್ಮಚ್ಚಿಗಿರಿ ಊರಿನಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದ ಆಳದಿಂದ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಉಮ್ಮಚ್ಚಿಗಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗ್ರಾಮದಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತವಾದಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಅದು ಹೇಗೋ ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರೆಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ MBBS ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದಲೇ ಈ ನನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮವನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗ್ರಾಮವನ್ನು ಉಮ್ಮಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಕಳೆದ 47 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್ ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಎಂಡೇಂಜರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್, ಅಳಿವಿನ ಅಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು 1979ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದರ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥವ್ರು ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ MBBS ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. MBBSಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ MBBS ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ MS MD ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲತೆ ಉಂಟು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಹಿಂದುವಾದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಹಳ ಅಪರೂಪದ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಉಂಟು. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ಒಂದು ದಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 400-500 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆ 400-500 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂತು, ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅನುಭವದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನೇ ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೋ ಹೊರತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೌದು. ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಸುಂದರನೇ. ಆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಚೆಂದ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸುಂದರ. ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಬದಲಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಡ್ಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾಗಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತರೆ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಈ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ಣವಾದಂಥ ವೃತ್ತಿ. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಯಾರೇ ಕಂಡ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್, ನಾವು ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು. ಈ ನೋಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಾದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮನ್ಕೈಂಡ್. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟನ್ನು ಗುಣ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಪೇಷಂಟನ್ನು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆಯೋ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆಯೋ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸಮಾಧಾನ, ಸಾರ್ಥಕತೆ ಭಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ವೃತ್ತಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತವಾದ ನಿತ್ಯ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಅಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇ ನಾನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯತೆಯಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಶಯವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
We wholeheartedly thank Dr. Sudesh K. Derebai, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal and Dr. M.S. Bhatt Marigold for your unwavering commitment and remarkable contribution towards betterment of healthcare system of our nation.
It is now our honor to invite Professor Dr. M. Shantram Shetty, the Pro-Chancellor of NITE Deemed University, to address the gathering.
Good morning. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Presiding officer of this very important function, which we conduct almost every year, our Chancellor Mr. Vishal Inde, our Vice Chancellor Professor Maditaya, Registrar Dr. Harsha, Dean of the Medical School Dr. Sandeep, Medical Student Dr. Sumalata, three of the eminent doctors who have been specially recognized and being felicitated. Unfortunately, Dr. Sudesh had to leave for a court case, and we have with us Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, whom I had the pleasure of knowing, not only as a student, as her husband was also a student, and their son is our student as well in Shema, and he is a neonatologist, and she is a very reputed gynecologist, and her husband is a pediatrician. Only difference, me and him, they have seen many more patients than me, and more than all, she has made much more money. And we have with us Dr. M.S. Bhatt Mugroli, who just addressed you and told us about the different aspects of how he grew as a medical practitioner for the last 40 years, and told how things have changed. Perhaps I am the only one here who is born before the independence, and I have seen the changes, and the changes, remarkable changes which has taken place in the field of medicine. If at all, the infant mortality, which was 190 per thousand, has changed into just 25. And if the maternal mortality, which was about more than 1,000, has come down to just 190 or 150, it is because of gynecologists, because of pediatricians, because of every doctor. If at all, many lives have been saved, right from whether it's polio, whether it's smallpox, and even the COVID. The doctors have shown what they can do to the society at large. Recognizing this aspect, if you take the 365 days of the year, you would see it is earmarked every day for a particular. Even today, it is not only the doctor's day, it is also the chartered accountant's day. We have just 13,50,000 doctors, allopathic doctors in this country. Just about 4 lakhs chartered accountants. Another about 15 lakhs lawyers as professionals. But of all the professions, it is the people who celebrate Doctor's Day rather than people celebrating Chartered Accountants Day or the Lawyers Day. This is the gratitude the people have for Doctor's Day. And the credit goes to the doctors who have laid down their life, working throughout night, Many people do not understand a doctor gets up at 2 o'clock in the morning and when there is a call, goes home and comes back to work again at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning. Dr. Bhatt rightly mentioned how he started his practice in a remote place in Uttarakhand. It is in it is in Uttarakhand, a remote place. I remember one of my classmates who was practicing in one such places. He was called late at 1 a.m. in the morning, and an elderly man crying that my daughter is to deliver, but it is across the river. Can you come and save her? This doctor goes in his motorbike and puts the motorbike on the, goes in the boat, stays there in the till the morning, till the episiotomy was done with difficulty, and that child delivered. And when he came back in the boat, he saw as the doctor's feet one full banana and few coconut trees. That was the feast which was given those days. And this is what doctors have done to this country, to lay down our health care to this extent. Today we have robotic surgery. We have so many innovations which have come through. Change has taken place, and we have taken the strides in India as a challenge to the world. Today, not only doctors, the students who come for fellowship to learn in India, the patients come to this country to get the best of the care. The credit goes to the doctors who have done this. And this day is celebrated as respect to them. It is you, the youngsters, I see charming faces, and it is for you to take this stride and carry on the strides of this. This Doctors' Day is celebrated to understand the importance of the doctors in the society, and it is for you, the younger generation, to carry on this tradition forever. May God bless you all, and I congratulate the university and the medical school in particular for celebrating Doctors' Day in such a grand way, and identifying people like Dr. Bhatt and Mrs. Venugopal and Dr. Sudesh, and we are very happy they have come here, and may God bless you and may God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Vice Chancellor, Deputy Dean to be University, Dr. M.S. Moditaya, sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Chancellor Shri Vishal Hegde, our mentor and Honorable Pro-Chancellor of the University, Dr. Shantaram Shetty, my learned colleagues, Dr. Shah Halahali, Dr. Sandeep Rai, Dr. Sumrata Shetty, and very importantly, 3 stars here on the days, Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, Dr. M.S. Bhatt, and Dr. Sudesh, who just left for some other work, my learned colleagues and invitees, ladies and gentlemen. We always at the university, 1st July, we don't keep any other program. 1st July is the day we celebrate Doctors' Day, and it's an important day for all of us. What we can't do daily, what we wish to do daily, we keep it for the 1st July to thank all the doctors who are keeping not only our health but take care of the nation's health. While addressing you, Dr. M.S. Bhatt was telling, I am from Yellapura, but I didn't know how Nitya University got our name. Dr. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರದಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5:05 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಇವರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳುವ ಮಾತುಗಳು, ತಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳುವ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಿಂಚು, ಅವರ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್, ಪಾಸಿಬ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ತಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಮಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕಾಣದೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಕಾರಣ. Even for that matter, the other two recipients of the recognition today, Dr. Saraswati and Dr. Sudesh, our medical superintendent and dean, have very carefully chosen the most appropriate people to be felicitated today. Doctor's Day is not just a day in the calendar of the year. It's a very important day where the humane values of thanking the people who have helped us is celebrated. And I wish to once again congratulate all the three doctors who have been felicitated today, and wish to thank all our colleagues who are doing a wonderful job. Please, you only have to clap for yourself. We are very, very proud of your contributions in the field of clinical services, but our colleagues are distinctly different. In addition to that, they are trying to be wonderful teachers, they are great researchers, many of them, and their concern for the community and the well-being of all the members within the group and outside is really great. Once again, I wish that this becomes every year a landmark event for the university, and we would be looking forward to recognize many more doctors who are doing wonderful job in the field of health sciences. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Professor Mudikalaisa, for your word to the university. Sri Vishal Hegde deliver his presidential address.
Good morning, everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, my doctor colleagues at Shema and Nite University, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first wish all the doctors who are here and who have not been able to come here a very, very happy Doctor's Day. It's only with your compassion that so many patients are able to come to this campus and get themselves treated. I think all of you all definitely deserve more celebrations, but we have only one day in the year to celebrate it, and it's in the memory of Dr. B.C. Roy, who's a very eminent physician. So once again, congratulations and very happy Doctor's Day to all of you. My congratulations go to Dr. Saraswati Venugopal, Dr. M.S. Bhatt and Dr. Sudesh Deribai, who has just left us and gone to attend the court case. The three of them have been chosen today by Shema and the hospital for a recognition and an honor. When we recognize somebody, I think all of them definitely would have put in 40 to 50 years of medical service. I think for all the young doctors out here, they are an inspiration, because all of us definitely need to look up to someone as mentors, someone that we need to follow in a path. So I'm sure the students who are not here, as well as the young doctors out here, we need to have a look at what has made them successful. Because unless we look at someone who has made it in life, who has been successful, we may not be able to emulate them and follow in their paths. So I once again, on behalf of Nite University, thank all three of them, Dr. Saraswati, Dr. M.S. Bhatt, as well as Dr. Sudesh, for taking this honor, because we are not honoring them. It's our privilege that they have come here and accepted our honor, because their service speaks for itself. I don't have a message for the doctors, because all of you all are definitely doing a wonderful work, and I always tell people that the only thing that is required right there is the services of a doctor. Because when we are not well, we just can't wait. Any pain that we have other than the physical pain which needs a doctor can wait for tomorrow. But unfortunately, your services are required 24/7 for all 365 days. And all of you doctors have been giving this service with a lot of compassion, and this compassion is sometimes taken for granted by the patients, but that is the way it is. But I'm sure that even in the years to come, the service that is being given by you all will continue in the same way that it's happening today. There's a lot of discussion today that AI is changing the world, because every patient who comes already has a little bit of diagnosis done by him or her. How right or how wrong it is, I am not going to venture into that. But all I want to say is the human element in AI is not going to be replaced. That's in all fields, especially in the field of doctors. I don't think AI can replace any one of you, because the human brain is much more powerful than any of the AI tools that are out there. This is a topic that can be discussed and debated for a long time. I don't think we have the time today, because your patients are waiting for you all. Once again, congratulations to the 3 recipients of the honor today, as well as all you doctors. Happy Doctors' Day. Thank you.
ಹಾಗೂ ಸೇವೆಯ ಜೀವಂತ ಪ್ರತೀಕ. As we approach the conclusion of today's celebration, we reflect with gratitude on the values that unite us as members of medical fraternity: the service, integrity, compassion and excellence. May we request the Medical Superintendent of Justice K. Sigde Charitable Hospital, Professor Dr. Sumalata R. Shetty, to give the vote of thanks.
All of you, a happy Doctors' Day from us to you and from you to us. It's a pleasure to be here to give a vote of thanks to on this occasion. Respected Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, Register, and our own Vice Chancellor and the team on the stage, the guests who have accepted our invitation and have been felicitated. You have given us this honor to felicitate you. Dr. Sudesh, who has left us for his court case, Dr. Sita Lakshmi and Dr. M.S. Patsa. Thank you for accepting our invitation and being here with us. And I thank you from all the hospital members and the college members, for all the administrative staffs of this institution, for having accepted our invitation and being with us. Big thank you to all the students, the future doctors, and all the faculty members of our constituent colleges for being here with us on this occasion and taking part in this occasion. Thank you all. A big vote of thanks to all the administrative staffs, starting from the HR/PR department to the hospital administration, and for their work that has been going on behind the screens. They have been the ones who got to us saying that these are the people that we want to felicitate this year. Thank you all. The team has done an excellent work, and please note that their work was what you are all having here. They are the ones who are thanking the doctors. Thank you all. Thank you to the MCs who have done this program for us and has done it very eloquently. Thank you both of you. Thank you all.
Now we come to the end of the program. We will all rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे